Greeting. This is Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at how we can actually print an Excel sheet. Yes, very important here. We're going to be looking at how we can actually print an Excel sheet. If you notice, this is an Excel spreadsheet. But if you notice, we are from January, March, come right down here to September to November. So we want to see how we can actually print the whole entire workbook, worksheet, and all of that. So the first thing that we wanted to do, we're going to come right up here to the left where you see the file tab. We're going to click right, and when you click on file, notice you see this green stuff right here, which you see info, new, open, save as, save, print, share, export, publish, close, account option. But what we want to focus on right here is print. So I want to click on the word print. If you notice here, it actually display right over here, and if you notice right down here, you can actually switch from one sheet to another sheet. Right, and if you notice right here, shows you can actually print here, show how much copy. You can actually use this to increase the copy right here, just the same right here. Then when you come all the way down here, now you can actually choose the printer right here. Which one of the printer you can actually change right here at the printing property. When you click on the printing property, what you will see definitely here, to show you that it's on colored right here, you can better, best, draft. You can actually switch it across if you want to change on that, or put it back on colored, and then you click on OK. But if you notice right here is the print active sheet. You notice only the active sheet, but if I click right here, you notice to show that print active sheet right here, which is only print the active sheet right here. So print the entire workbook, which print the whole entire workbook right here. But if you notice right here, print selection, only print the current section that you really want. Right, so this area is a very critical area. But if you notice right in here, it says pages, 2 pages. So you can actually use the look arrow them right here to select like the number of page right there, and then you come over here, you can also select the next one just the same, as you can see right here. So as soon as they put in all of this, you can come right here and click on the word print. So I hope you have learned something from this particular video. If you learned something, write in the comment box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.